Professor Cosmos. Hello, it's me, Rowan. I did a funny face there. So, this is my birthday gift. It is a plant in the jar thing. So, I got it. My mum brought it for me. And I got a lot of plants in there. So, I'm going to show you which one is which. I'm going to put them in order. I'm going to show you what they look like. This is the sun. And this is a very small one. Mercury's tiny. Next up is Venus. You can see its clouds inside. It's really, really bright from Earth. Also, we've got our living planet. It's Earth. And last of the rocky planets is Mars. Next one, the gas giant, Jupiter, with a great red spot. Saturn. Now, can I tell you something about Saturn? Some of you are confused because Saturn has rings. But Saturn, on this logo, they can get the rings on there because they can't. But I don't know why. Saturn's on the go there. Here we go, Uranus. It doesn't have the rings too. Also, we have Neptune with its blue dark spot. And last but not least is Pluto. And all of the planets come with a glass jar. And it can open like that. So you can put the planets inside. Be really careful with them because they're in a glass jar. So you don't want to break them. This is my third video. Thank you for watching, everyone. And you are superstars or space stars or scientific stars. And thank you for watching. So I'll see you for my fourth video. Bye.